Can you keep a secret? Yeah, it was great talking to you. Let's keep in touch. Yeah, smelly shook. Keep it away from me. Okay. Did you guess all the keep expression right? If not, so keep watching the video. Okay. The verb keep has multiple meanings, such as to remain, to continue, to store, or to prevent. Okay? We can use keep in different situations. So, dear learners, today we are going to learn some common collocations that are used with keep in different situations. Okay? First of all, keep away. Oh, keep away from the dog. If not, the dog will bite you. Second one is keep control. Oh, I almost panicked. I need to keep my control. Third one is keep calm. You are always excited. So, I can give you a suggestion. Take a breath deeply and keep yourself calm. Keep calm and carry on. Fourth one is keep a secret. I said you a secret, but you revealed it. You can never keep a secret. Why? Fifth one is keep quiet. Oh, don't shout, don't shout. Please keep quiet in the class. Okay, dear learners, there are many different collocations that are used with keep. So make sure to keep practicing them. Okay.